In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Microsoft Teams and Google Calendar. This integration is incredibly useful for managing your meetings seamlessly. It ensures all appointments are in one place, whether you use Teams or Google Calendar, making your workflow more efficient. This eliminates the need to switch applications just to set up or join a meeting. Let's get started and set this up together. First, navigate to your Google Calendar. Once you're on the calendar interface, look for the gear icon, which represents settings, in the top right corner. Click this icon. A drop-down menu will then appear, offering various options to customize and manage your calendar. This is precisely where we begin our integration journey to enhance your scheduling capabilities. From the Settings drop-down menu, locate and click on Get Add-ons. This action will redirect you to the Google Workspace Marketplace, which is essentially an app store for various Google products. Here you can discover and install additional tools and integrations to enhance your Google Calendar. This is precisely where we'll find the Microsoft Teams add-on. Now that you're in the Google Workspace Marketplace, you'll find a prominent search bar at the top of the page. In this search bar, simply type the word Teams, and then press Enter or click the search icon. This action filters the vast array of available add-ons, presenting you with results specifically relevant to Microsoft Teams. This helps you quickly pinpoint the exact tool needed for your calendar synchronization. After searching, you will see Microsoft Teams Meeting appear in the search results. This is the official add-on we need to install. Go ahead and click this search result. This action will take you to a dedicated page within the marketplace, providing more detailed information about the add-on, including its features and required permissions. Always ensure you select the correct official add-on for optimal security and functionality. Once you are on the Microsoft Teams Meeting add-ons dedicated page, you will see a larger representation and description of the add-on. You need to click on the main Microsoft Teams Meeting title or box once more. This confirms your selection and prepares the system for the next crucial step, initiating the official installation process that will integrate this powerful tool into your Google Calendar environment. With the Microsoft Teams Meeting add-on page open, you should clearly see an Install button. This button is usually large and prominently displayed. Go ahead and click Install. Clicking this initiates the process, prompting Google to begin integrating Teams Meeting functionality directly into your calendar. A small pop-up window may then appear, asking for your confirmation or to specify which Google account to use for the installation. Following the Install click, you'll likely encounter a prompt asking you to choose the Google account you wish to connect with the Microsoft Teams add-on. If you have multiple Google accounts logged in, it's crucial to select the correct one, ideally your primary Google Calendar account. Carefully review the options presented, and click on your preferred Google account to proceed with the synchronization setup. After selecting your account, a screen will appear detailing the permissions the Microsoft Teams Meeting add-on requires to function correctly. These typically include access to your calendar, events, and potentially contacts for seamless scheduling. Review these permissions carefully. Once you're comfortable, click Allow or grant access to authorize the add-on. Without these, the integration cannot function. Congratulations! Once the necessary permissions are granted, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the Microsoft Teams Meeting add-on has been successfully installed. You can now close the Marketplace window. To use it, simply create a new event in Google Calendar, and you will find an option to add Microsoft Teams video conferencing directly within the event details, making scheduling incredibly convenient from your Google Calendar.